Create two audio reactive circle wave spectrums. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Import music and images. Drag the music and put it in the timeline. This creates a composition with a track duration. Drag the image into the composition. Select the image layer and hold down the Shift key to draw a circle so that the image is in a circle mask. Using the layer menu, create a solid layer and name it background. From the Effects and Presets window, apply the 4-color gradient effect to the solid. Choose your favorite colors. Add another solid layer and name it Circle. Copy the photo layer mask and paste it on the circular layer. Increase its size slightly. From the Effects and Presets window, apply the audio spectrum effect to the circle layer. There are many values to adjust in the Effect Control window. Set the path to masking mode to follow the mask. Set the audio layer to the audio layer. Very good. The waveform is done around the circle. Start and end frequency is for the frequency range of the sound we want to display. Frequency bands to determine the number of waveform display bands. Maximum height is for adjusting the length of the waveform. There is a problem. Let's invert the mask. Side option to choose which side. Let's select the outer side and then set it to side B. With audio offset we can move the waveform shape on the circle, which I do not. We use softness to be sharp or blur and thickness to increase the thickness of the bands. We can adjust the color inside and outside separately. By changing the hue interpolation angle, we can adjust the color gamut. Color symmetry is also for color symmetry. In display options mode, 3 modes can be selected. We can use the 3 modes: analog lines, analog dots, and digital, whichever we like. Very good. By changing the start and end frequency values, we can change the arrangement of the bands on the shape. Very nice. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.